you guys, welcome back and I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are filming a challenge kind of a video. So the challenge that I'm talking about is the opposite hand challenge, I believe it's called. Basically, I'm a right-handed person but I'm gonna use my left hand to do my makeup today. So first things first, it is really hot but I cannot turn the fan on, I cannot open the windows, I cannot do anything. Also, if you're thinking, wow Pratha, you look like a mess, then yes, that is because I do look like a mess. I don't have any makeup on, I just have some tinted lip balm kind of thing. My hair is gonna be poofy, that's why I've tied it right now. And then yeah, I think that is all I have to say. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in because I think I'm gonna do my eyes first and then get onto the face. So first things first, I'm gonna use an eye primer and I'm gonna use it with a brush. As you guys can see, I'm using it with my left hand. I'm gonna try and open my bottles with my left hand too. Okay, the reason I'm applying so much is because I'm using some eyeshadows that I haven't used in a long time. So I'm planning to use blue today. You know what? I'm gonna open my window because this is getting... I cannot stand this. So I'm gonna open out my windows first. I really hope you guys don't mind the noises, but yeah, this is what I'm gonna do for a while. So here we go, my left hand. So today, as I mentioned, I'm going to use some colorful eyeshadows. I'm planning to use blues and purples because I haven't really used them in a long time. So the reason why I don't really do looks with blue and basically blues and greens, is because they don't work that well with my coloring. Like, there is no way blue is gonna look as good as red does on me. And also, these eyeshadows aren't the best quality eyeshadows. They work fine, but I prefer something more pigmented and a little bit more blendable. And for greens, I just don't think they work well with my coloring. It's probably my least favorite color to wear. I think I'm gonna go in with this blue color shade. Next, I'm taking another clean brush. I'm gonna use this blue shade over here. Look at how pretty it looks on the brush, but on my eyes, that is just not the case. Oh no. I think that is enough blueness. I'm gonna blend these two in. I'm gonna use this shade right here in the brow bone, not exactly on the brow bone, but just to blend these two in. Man, it looks so bad on camera, but in real life it looks fine. I'm taking some extra blue. This just disappears from my eyelid and I don't like that. The next shade that I'm gonna be taking is... I think I'm gonna go in with this purple. It might be a little too dark. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this purple. See, the shimmers in this eyeshadow palette are nice, but the mattes are horrible. Yeah, there is a crow screaming outside. Ignore them. And I won't blame it. This is by Makeup Revolution. It's not even available anymore. And I don't think they have really changed their formula that much. I wish I had something like a Duraline, so that way I can at least convert these eyeshadows into something different. I'm gonna clean things up and then I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and then jump back to the eyes. Okay, so I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I try to sharpen the edges. They don't really look that good, but I think I'm gonna tie them in when I do my lower lash lines. So for now, this is fine. This is good. And I want to move on to my face. So today I'm going to be using a primer. This is the Maybelline Master Prime. I'm just going to take a little bit of this and I'm only focusing this on the areas where I feel I don't have smoother skin, so near my pores. I don't know if my skin is just sensitive or this primer kind of has that... It doesn't burn or tingle, but it definitely feels warm after a while. So for the foundation, obviously I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Toffee Pecan. I'm going to use a angled brush and I'm going to blend this out. I have this extreme urge to actually go ahead and use my right hand. Also, the reason why I chose to do this challenge was obviously because I didn't have content, and yesterday my right thumb actually started paining to the point where I couldn't type. Let's pretend like it's not because I'm addicted to my phone, but yeah, so my right thumb was aching and I was like, wow, this is such a perfect timing. I'm going to use this as an excuse to do this challenge. So here we are doing this. I look so weird with that eye look. Are we gonna do liner? I need to make this fun, right? I don't think this is fun anymore. I'm gonna use a lighter shade of my Photo Focus foundation as my concealer. So this is in the shade Desert Beige. Also, random fact, but I had this thing that I really wanted to start writing with my left hand, and for that I really tried hard. Like, I tried switching my habits from my right hand to my left hand, but the only habit I was able to switch properly was brushing my teeth. So now I brush my teeth with my left hand. Other than that, I don't think I can do anything with my left hand, as you guys can see. I'm gonna use this thing to set my under eyes. You know, recently people have started applying their concealer just underneath here and here, which I'm really fond of, because when I started doing my own makeup, I never applied it in a triangle. I tried to apply it in a triangle shape, but it never really looked that good. I'm glad people are kind of cutting down on concealer. I'm just gonna bronze a little bit. This powder does not do a lot for me. I'm gonna go ahead use a cream blush. So this is Absolute New York's Lip Mousse, but this is absolutely whack and I don't like it. So I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. It sets down into a powder finish kinda, so I feel like it's good for blush and it's pretty vibrant. Like, for me, this color doesn't really look that good on my lips anyway, so I feel better using it on on my cheeks. Next, I'm gonna take my highlighting brush, and did I use my right hand or left hand to apply the blush? Can't even recollect. This happened like 5 seconds ago. I think that is it for the face. I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Oh man, already messed it up. I'm gonna leave it at that. This eyebrow clearly looks like it's not a part of my body, so I'm gonna use my NYX brow gel. Anyway, I think that is enough for the brows. I'm gonna take this. This is what I used on my lid. I'm just gonna take that and just try and tie down my top lid and my bottom lid. This looks bad. I wish I had lashes. Like, I do have lashes, but I don't know how to apply them properly. That way this look would have been better, way better. I think I'm gonna leave the look at that. For my inner corner, I'm gonna go in with my Swiss Beauty palette. I'm gonna use the top shade since it's pink toned. I'm also gonna use this on my brow bone. You know what? I'm gonna stop touching this eye look. It's fine. Next, I'm going with my Colossal mascara. Let me know if you guys like this or Lash Sensational better. I remember this one being really good, but then I switched to Lash Sensational and then I didn't really go back, and Lash Sensational wasn't available. The water washable version wasn't available, so I decided to go in with this Colossal one. And the first time I tried it, it was fine, but yesterday when I tried it, I saw like no difference in my lashes. I mean, yes, it lengthened my lashes, but I remember it being better than this. So, and I think that is all I have to do. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with this lipstick. This is by Swiss Beauty. It's one of my favorite shades. Yeah, I think this is it. You know what? Let's do an eyeliner. Okay, so I've got my Absolute Shine eyeliner by Lakme and I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I can't even do it properly with my right hand. Why am I expecting a lot from my left hand? Man, I should have done this before my mascara, but that isn't bad. Oh no. That looks fine. I wish I didn't mess it up. That actually looks fine. Like, okay, I'm not gonna go out with this eye look. Anyway, I think this is it. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and do my outro. Okay, so yeah, I think that is it. I think I did an okay job. I feel like if the colors were different and I knew how they blended, this would have been a lot better. The eyeliner, definitely I feel like I did well, which makes me think I should really try and do my eyeliner more with my right hand and not without a mirror, because that's the only two times I have used eyeliner in the past few months. So yeah, this looks pretty. I like it. I kind of feel like I want to recreate my no mirror makeup challenge look and this look properly with proper hands and with a mirror. I feel like both of those looks had a great color story, but because it was a challenge, I was going out and it did end up pretty, but this isn't pretty. But the no mirror was fine. But yeah, I feel like I want to recreate both of those looks, both of these looks, and properly. So maybe if you guys are interested in that, do let me know. And yeah, I think that is it. I hope you guys are staying safe. Please stay indoors, and I think that is all I have to say. Study for your exams if you have exams and don't be like me. Yeah, I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. No, wait. Please like, comment and subscribe. It all means a lot to me. I love seeing support from you guys. And yeah, if you are one of those people who have subscribed to me for lip swatches, they will be coming. Just let this pandemic get over soon. I will be doing my lip swatch and lip review videos soon. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.